Guys, ang video na ito ay tungkol sa modern method of math unit conversion. No? For example, meter to foot and foot to meter equivalent, vice versa. Again, meter to foot and foot to meter, vice versa. So ngayon, gagamit tayo ng dalawang equivalent. So, unang equivalent, 9 meters is equal to 29.5276 feet, no? So, ito ngayon ang kanyang formula, no? Ang equivalent ay gawaan natin ng formula. So, ito ngayon ang kanyang formula. To find feet is meter times 29.5276 feet over 9 meters. And to find meters is feet times 9 meters over 29.5276 feet. So, exercises tayo. So, for example, 42 feet convert to meters. Then to find meters is feet times 9 meters over 29.5276 feet. So, baba tayo. Meters. 42 feet times 9 meters over 29.5276 feet. So, feet over feet. So, cancel. Cancel ang feet at maiwan ang meters. So, baba tayo. Meters. 378 meters over 29.5276. So, equals 12.8015822 meters, no? So, 42 feet is equal to 12.8015822 meters. So, checking natin. Checking. 12.8015822 meters convert to feet. So, feet, to find feet is feet meters times 29.5276 feet over 9 meters. So, baba tayo. 12.8015822 meters times 29.5276 feet over 9 meters. So, meters over meters. So, cancel ang meters at maiwan ang foot or feet. So, continue. Feet is 378 feet over 9. So, equals 42 feet. So, 12.8015822 meters is equal to 42 feet. So, another equivalent. Pangalawang equivalent. At ito naman ang gawaan natin ng formula. Another unit equivalent. 5 meters is equal to 16.4042222 feet, no? Ito ang gawaan naman natin ng formula. So, another formula. 5 meters is equal to 16.4042222 feet, no? So, to find feet is meters times 16.4042222 feet over 5 meters. And to find meters is meters is feet times 5 meters over 16.40422 feet. Again, to find meters is feet times 5 meters over 16.40422 feet. So, exercises. Subukan natin kung magtugma ba ang kanilang answer. So, exercises. Again, 42 feet convert to meters. So tingnan natin kung magtugma ba sa unang formula. So to find meters is feet times 5 meters over 16.404222 feet. So baba, meters, 42 feet times 5 meters over 16.404222 feet. So feet over feet, so cancel ang feet at maiwan ang meters. So baba, meters, 210 meters over 16.404222. So equals 12.8015823 meters. So 42 feet is equal to 12.8015823 meters. So coincide, nagtugma sila. So i-checking naman natin ang pangalawang formula. Checking 12.8015823 meters convert to feet. So to find feet is feet meters times 16.404222 feet over 5 meters. So baba tayo. Feet 12.8015823 meters times 16.404222 feet over 5 meters. So meters over meters, so cancel ang meters at maiwan ang feet. So continue. Feet is 210 feet over 5. So equals 42 feet. So 12.8015823 meters is equal to 42 feet. So nagtugma ang unang equivalent at dalawang equivalent, ang pangalawang equivalent. So ang unang formula at ang pangalawang formula ay nagtugma, no? So itong equivalent 42 feet is equal to 12.8015823 meters. So ito ay pwede rin gawaan ng formula dahil lahat ng equivalent ay pwedeng gawaan ng formula. So yun lang at maraming salamat.